After painting this mini chest, it looks like it has been it's not straight anymore. So try to put a number on the drawers so you know where they were from the beginning. They are not all alike. So I tried out this IKEA box Marabou chalk paint. It's a pink sort of. I haven't put back the lid even. Anyway, it's very light white pink. You hardly see it. You see it, but it's very light. So I painted this, tried some different colors, but it doesn't look good. I have to do something. Painted it. Not the sides. I started to paint it. Just go over it, leave some spots so you get the distinction. I've started with a Kawasaki green and yellow. This is just the start, and then I will probably go over it with some white or perhaps some reddish at this side, red or purple. This is a nice clean look. Pretty happy with that. Just might use some white, perhaps some purple on it. We'll see. Looks okay. Looks fine to me. I like this. I've added a bit whitish here and mixed here to get this color. And I do like the white background here. So just do the drawers. And this is the final result. So this is the final result. Pretty pleased with it. So it's lightweight, yeah, all I've said before. So, as all other YouTubers, I have to beg you to consider giving it a thumbs up or subscribing if you had some use of this video. It really helps me out. I need subscribers and I need thumbs up. So thank you for that. Okay, bye bye.